absolute truth, whatever you feel on your vibrations, you have to follow. But unfortunately, I've seen many people think that their vibrations are all right, they are all right, and whatever they are receiving on their vibrations is first class. Now, how to correct that point is very difficult. It comes from ego. When you have ego, you can never find anything wrong with you. And even if the vibrations are telling you something, it might be somebody else who is telling you something. Because you are not there, your ego is there. And your ego is just spoiling you and teaching you things which normally you would see clearly that I am doing something wrong. I should not have done it. In this process of correction and improvement, when you indulge, you should see, are you getting subtler or grosser? That is the best way to judge. Now I have seen people who go on judging on small things like vibrations, whether this vibration are all right or not in this tree, or on these flowers, or on this land. All kinds of material things they want to see the vibrations. But for what are you seeing the vibration? You are seeing vibration because some sort of a material gain. You think that if you check the vibrations and the vibrations are all right, then we are quite safe. We will not lose this, we will not lose that. It's not true, because vibrations are not meant to judge all these worldly things and worldly matters. It's absolutely cheapening the vibrations. You should not cheapen them. Because vibrations can suggest things which may be detrimental to your growth very much. Once I wanted somebody to go somewhere, so he said, I didn't go, mother. I said, why? Because I saw the vibrations were very bad. I said, that's why I asked you to go. If the vibrations were good, what was your use going there? That's the reason I asked you to go there, so that you could help. But before that, you judged yourself, judged your vibrations, and then you didn't want to go. So what happens? We want to have an easy, cozy life. And all our problems must be solved by Sahaja, otherwise we think Sahaja is of no use. Whatever is our desire must be fulfilled. So now